Folks, if you like this kind of stuff, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like. Follow me if you like. I've been self-taught all my life. I normally, pretty much my entire life, I just get books and I study them. And that's how I learn. I don't learn through classes. I've never learned that way. To me, I have to buy a book or several books and see what they teach. I make notes. I look at other books and compare. But that's how I learn. That's how I've always learned, self-taught through my books. I have taken classes, of course, at the university for my degrees. Those classes are usually just to pass the test and get the degree. Most of the time, you don't really learn anything. You're just learning to read books. I think nowadays, college is a waste of time and a waste of money. There's so many more opportunities besides going to college. It's gotten too expensive and they're teaching nonsense anymore. At least that's how I feel. I did the electrical engineering, then the computer science and the business administration, and after all, I started a service business, and that was the most successful one for me. And you can start a service business from zero and build it up to as much as you want. You are the limit. But it takes work and it takes commitment. Everything you do in life takes work and commitment. You cannot leave it for chance.